Hello everyone, this is Ari from Tech with King, and in this video I am going to show you how you can run Linux based DSL OS in your Android with internet connection enabled using Limbo. So let's get started. Basically DSL OS is based on Linux. So first of all you have to download the DSL OS. As you can see, here is the DSL OS and the download link in the description. And the second thing, you have to download the Limbo PC emulator, and the Limbo PC emulator download is also linked in the description. So first of all you have to open the Limbo. As you can see, it will look like this, and click to none. So I have already created the DSL machine, as you can see. So let me just show you again. So interface, user interface, you have to select the SDL and click to full screen. Machine type PC, CPU model, make sure it will be default. CPU cores 4, RAM memory 704. Did not require the hard disk, so you have to select the DVD and open the OS, and display will be STD standard. And in the network you have to select the RTL8139. so this is the you have to select in the network because the DSL have an internet available in it. And the second thing, you have to select the boot device, you have to select the CD-ROM. And the second thing, you have to select the high priority. So this is all the settings you have to do in the Limbo. Make sure you have downloaded the Shoki application and the Hackers Keyboard. Shoki means because the DSL have some issue with in it, so sometimes the mouse will not work, or sometimes keyboard will not work. So I have downloaded this application and it will perfectly working with this. So let me just show you. So after doing all the settings, make sure you have also downloaded the Shoki and Hackers Keyboard. So all the settings, let's just click to play button, and make sure the Shoki application is running in the background and Hackers Keyboard enabled. So as you can see, so just click to enter. So this is the Hackers Keyboard available on the Play Store. So make sure this keyboard on the screen, it will take 4 to 5 minutes to fully boot in Android. So as you can see, the DSL Linux logo was showing there. So it will based on Linux, as you can see. So as you can see in the screen, the DSL OS has been fully loaded and successfully open here. Sometime mouse will not work, so that's why I have using this Shoki application and this Hacker Keyboard. After using that, the mouse will perfectly work. I have checked. So if no mouse will not work, so you can use this keyboard. So as you can see, this is the DSL browser. Let me just show you. The internet has been working in this browser. I have checked. So let me just type. So as you can see in the screen, just now I have typed the google.com in the search bar. So as you can see, the Google has been opened here. So let me just search anything in this Google. So as you can see, it will browsing perfectly and the internet is working. So you can get the experience of the desktop with using this DSL Linux based OS. As you can see, the browser is perfectly working. A lot of my subscribers tell me to show that how we can get access internet in this Limbo. So as you can see, here is the video. You can access the internet in this DSL OS. So as you can see, Google is here. Just now I have enabled the screen rotation of my Android and turned my Android phone. I am not using it in landscape mode because when I open the keyboard, the half of the OS desktop screen has been covered. So that's why I have using in the portrait mode to get the full experience. And make sure you have using the Hackers Keyboard, and it's have some lot of features. As you can see, you can check it out. So it's have a lot of buttons. So that's why I'm using Hackers Keyboard with this Limbo, and I'm using it in portrait mode. But for the showing purpose, in landscape mode to show you, so you can browse and get the experience of the desktop version of the browser in your Android with using this DSL OS. As you can see, browser has perfectly working with the internet. Make sure you have enabled the internet connection, Wi-Fi or data. So let me just minimize this browser. And this DSL have some other features also, like Firefox some PDF here on other office apps. As you can see, it have a lot of inbuilt applications. DSL OS is perfectly working and very fast processing, because the DSL OS is only in 50 MB. That's why it's fully running very fast and quickly. All the softwares are perfectly working. The reason behind showing this DSL OS in Android, because it's have internet connection enabled, so that's why you can browse anything in this, and it's have some other features also, and it's very perfectly working. You can check it out. For this video, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video. If you have any question or problem, let me know in the comments. Thank you.